Hey guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, today's video is another keto recipe. These are my jalapeno peppers, which are naturally a keto friendly appetizer, but I'm gonna do my spin as I always do. So without further ado, let's jump in. And yes, I'm wearing the same shirt because I'm doing all the recipes in one day. So let's do some jalapeno peppers Darlene style. Alright, first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, that way you won't miss out on any videos. The ingredients are peppers. Now, I don't use jalapenos. I use the mini red, orange, and yellow peppers that you can buy. And what I've done is cut them in half and seed them. You can use jalapenos. I just don't like that super spice. The other thing is bacon. Hello, we love bacon. And then I am using cream cheese with chives. And then we're gonna use a little bit of chili powder, just a little tiny bit. So the first thing I've done is clean that. I'm gonna start the bacon. I buy thick cut bacon, but in this case, I use the thin. Okay, you guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I like to soften my peppers before, because I feel like the peppers are hard, the bacon is hard and uncooked. And so if I throw these in the air fryer for a little bit, they've cooked a little bit. So I'm just gonna throw them in my air fryer over here. And I'm just dumping them all in, and there we go. So what I've done is, I told you that what I did was put the peppers, they're really not jalapeno peppers, they're mini red, orange, yellow peppers. So this is what they look like. When they come out, they're just softer, more pliable, and somewhat cooked. Here's what I did with the bacon. I'm not gonna touch it with my hands yet, sort of warmed it and made it pliable to start the cooking process. Now I'm going to start the oven at 350 degrees and get that going. What I'm going to do is, we talked about some of the ingredients. I'm actually going to add some queso fresco to it, and I've got the whipped chive cream cheese. So what I'm going to do is put some in a bowl, and then I am going to squeeze some fresh lime. And that's good. Oh, these limes are gorgeous. Lordy. So it's just gonna make it a little bit easier, and it's gonna have that nice little limey taste. And we're gonna add a smidge of chili powder, because these aren't jalapenos, right? So we're gonna add a smidge of chili powder. Open the queso fresco container so that I can just reach for it. See, it crumbles very much like feta. Okay, so again, we're not making a ton of these. Okay, goodness. So y'all remember the cocktail that I made for you, the low-carb mojito, or the the keto mojito? I'm still working on it. Go, another one. There we go. Piece of bacon. Colors. You can air fry these if you want. Look like yummy. We're gonna bake them, and then what I'm gonna do is top them with queso fresco, a little bit of lime, and paprika. So yeah, let's do it. All right, you guys, so let's make the sauce. The peppers are done. Poppers are done. There they are there. So what I'm gonna do is just finish them off. So queso fresco, and I'm just gonna mush it, because I just wanna drizzle a little of the queso fresco on there. And then we are going to do some lime. Oh, these limes are so good. I'm only gonna need 2, you guys. And then, let me wash my hand here. And then a little paprika. And then, we have a little bit of lime here. So I'm just gonna stick it in the center. So my version of jalapeno poppers, I have one on the side for me to try, so let's just do it. Let's put a little queso fresco, a little squeeze of lime. Here we go. That is my version of a keto jalapeno popper. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.